In this video, you will learn about a specific hidden resource that will help you get access to over 15,000 woodworking plans, ranging from mailbox and mantel plans to mirror and media center woodworking plans. Whether you're a beginner or advanced level woodworker or just a hobbyist, this huge variety of plans with fully colored pictures and easy to follow instructions will help you to complete your projects quickly and easily. It even shows you the different tools needed and how to use them, and really explains the entire process with step-by-step instructions and photos. You will not just be able to search any woodworking plan in seconds by using their easy-to-use search tool, but will also make any project easy and hassle-free while saving lots of money. So, for full details about these woodworking plans, visit www.mywoodenplans.com.